Shopkins! A Merry Shopkins Christmas! It's Christmas Eve in Shopville. The sale signs are twinkling. Snow is falling like powdered sugar, and the Shopkins are getting ready for the Christmas Eve festival. Cheeky Chocolate, Apple Blossom, Strawberry Kiss, and Lippy Lips practice their Christmas carol.
Deck the aisles for Shopkins Christmas, fa la 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 la. Soon the store will look delicious, fa la 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 la.
Ooh, is it time for my solo? Asked Lippy Lips. Lippy has been practicing a big solo for weeks, but she's kept it completely under wrappers as a surprise for her friends. Not yet, says Apple. First we have to make Small Mart look berry and bright. Apple tells all the Shopkins what they need to do to get Small Mart ready for tonight. Spilt Milk sets all of Small Mart's freezers to the lowest level, Arctic Blast. That will make it snow all over the store. Easy cheesy frozen peasy, says Spilt Milk. Getting things chilly is right up my aisle. Spilt Milk does too good of a job making snow. In fact, she's made a blizzard. Whoa, she cries. This snow is more slippery than a frozen banana peel. Meanwhile, Strawberry Kiss wraps presents. She chooses just the right paper and bows for each one. These presents are sure to fill everyone with holiday cheer, she says. Cheeky Chocolate tries to steal a glimpse of what's inside the gift boxes. No, you sneaky Cheeky, says Strawberry. Don't spoil the surprise. Did someone say surprise? Asked Lippy. That must mean it's time for my solo. Lippy picks up the microphone and gets ready to sing. Wait, not just yet, cries Apple. First we have to trim the tree. Aw, says Lippy. She's not sure she can stick it out until tonight. Apple hangs shiny ornaments on every branch until the tree looks just right. Cookie, can you put the star on the top? Apple asks. Okay, says Cookie. Cookie climbs a tower of gift boxes to reach the top of the tree. The boxes sway left. They sway right. Cookie topples toward the tree. The star lands at the top just before Cookie tumbles safely to the ground. It's a Shopkins Christmas miracle. That was close, says Apple. Good job, Cookie. Thanks, Cookie laughs. I'm just glad I didn't crumble in the tumble. Soon it is nighttime. All the Shopkins gather at the center of Small Mart for the Christmas Eve festival. Now is it time for my solo? Asked Lippy. Just a little while longer, says Apple. It's time to open presents. Ugh, groans Lippy. She doesn't want to wait any longer. Meanwhile, Strawberry Kiss is as pleased as Punch with how pretty the gifts look. Didn't I do the sweetest wrapping job you've ever seen? She gushes. Suddenly, one of the presents moves. Strawberry? Asked Apple. What exactly did you wrap in the gift boxes? Surprise! Out pops dumb Mimi. She snuck into one of the presents while Cheeky was distracting Strawberry Kiss. Wow! Exclaimed Strawberry. Dumb Mimi, you sure surprised me. Surprise? Surprise! Cries Lippy. Now is the time for my solo? Apple smiles. Yes, Lippy, it's finally time. Oh, thank groceries, exclaims Lippy. The Shopkins begin their Christmas carol together.
Deck the aisles for Shopkins Christmas, fa la 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 la. Soon the star will look delicious, fa la 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 la.
Lippy sings her solo with all her might.
Fa la 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 la.
Pop, pop, pop. Lippy's solo is so loud it breaks all the lights in Small Mart. Wow, Apple says. That was certainly the biggest surprise of the night. Lippy beams. Wasn't it? Merry Christmas, everyone! It It is the season for good cheer and sweet surprises, even if it's a bit off key. Merry Christmas from the Shopkins! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, everyone. Stay safe, and we'll see you all next time.